The chalk that is used to write on blackboard is mostly salt. It is a salt of which of the following metals? Answer is option C, calcium. Friends, chalk contains a salt of calcium, calcium carbonate. Its formula is CaCO3. Writing on blackboard is possible due to the presence of friction. Formation of curd by milk is done by. Answer is option B, lactobacillus. Friends, if we understand in detail, lactobacillus changes milk to curd by producing lactic acid and reducing the pH value of the milk. These bacteria change the lactose into lactic acid, which imparts a sour taste to curd. The procedure by which the change from milk to curd takes place is known as fermentation. The formation takes place when lactic acid reacts with the globular protein called casein present in milk. Sound intensity is measured by. Answer is option A, decibel. Surface tension arises due to blank. Answer is option D, cohesive force between molecules. The force acting on an object perpendicular to the surface is called blank. Answer is option B, thrust. Which of the following waves or rays are produced by nuclear changes in the atom? Answer is option C, gamma rays. Friends, gamma rays is a form of electromagnetic radiation arising from the radioactive decay of atomic nuclei. Paul Villard, a French chemist and physicist, discovered gamma radiation in 1900. The velocity of sound in air under normal condition is. Answer is option A, 344 meter per second. Friends, the speed of sound is the distance traveled per unit of time by a sound wave as it propagates through an elastic medium. At 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit, the speed of sound in air is about 344 meters per second. Absolute zero temperature is the temperature where. Answer is option C, molecular motion ceases. Friends, absolute zero is the temperature at which molecular motion ceases when vibrational energy exists. The absolute zero temperature is when the speed of all the molecules of the gas becomes zero. The absolute zero is the temperature when the speed of all the molecules of the gas becomes zero. With the increase of pressure, the boiling point of water. Answer is option B, increases. The inexhaustible source of energy of stars is due to blank. Answer is option D, conversion of hydrogen to helium. The sun is seen before actual sunrise. This is due to. Answer is option A, refraction. A transformer is employed to. Answer is option C, obtain a suitable AC voltage. All the magnetic materials lose their magnetic properties when. Answer is option C, strongly heated. Which bond will have maximum bond energy? Answer is option B, ionic bond. Who discovered the electron? Answer is option D, J. Thomson. Friends, if you understand in detail, Thomson discovered electrons, for which he got Nobel Prize in 1906 AD. Electrons were accidentally discovered by J.J. Thomson while studying the cathode rays. The name electron was given by Stoney. The branch of horticulture which deals with the production, storage, processing and marketing of vegetables is called blank. Answer is option D, olericulture. Who was the father of DNA fingerprinting? Answer is option A, Alex Jeffreys. DNA fingerprinting is a technique that shows the genetic makeup of living things. Father of DNA fingerprinting in the world is Sir Alex John Jeffreys. Father of DNA fingerprinting in India is Dr. Lal G. Singh. What is the gravity balance point of the Earth and the Sun? Answer is option C, Lagrange point. Theophrastus is called the father of. Answer is option D, botany. The spring balance works on the principle of blank. Answer is option A, Hooke's law.